Today we're going to be going over the things you will need to do a disc brake conversion on your Honda Civic. On mine it's going to be a 97, but this will pretty much apply to any 92 to 2000 Honda Civic. The only differences are the variances in e-brake cables. For me, I need EM1 cables, so they're kind of hard to find. So I'm going to go to a local dealership and buy them. That'll be something I'll have to get to in the future. But for now, we're going to tear all these down, and I'll drop some clips of right before when we actually got them from the junkyard and all that kind of stuff. So if you want to see how this process is done, we'll be like fully rebuilding these. I mean, calipers, bushings, everything. So if this is something you're interested in, please stick to the end of the video, like, comment, and subscribe, and stick around for part 2. Made it here to the junkyard. About to go grab these trailing arms off this Integra. It's our local junkyard. It's called Farrell's. It's a little dirty, but always has some good scores. I'll get back with you guys when I find this Integra. So here it is, guys. I'm not sure what year Integra this one is. Pretty sure it's like a 96. Yep, 96. Pretty good guess. 97 it says up here. Anyways, here's the rear trailing arm. I don't know if I'm gonna go through pulling it all off. It's kind of brainless stuff. You need to pull, well, loosen this guy or take the whole thing. You got two 17s here and over here somewhere. I don't know if you can see that. You got a 14 back there. This brake line, the e-brake cable, either from inside the car or right here. The strut, the lower control arm bolt here. That's it. You can leave this one alone up there. And that's pretty much it, guys. So I'm just gonna get to it, pull them off. I'll get back to you when they're off. So I just want to show you guys a little before and after, so you're not deterred when you go get yours. You know, this is probably gonna be a thing, dude. I mean, at least where I live, junkyards kind of just slam on the ground that they don't care about. I mean, I'm literally, see that? Pretty hard. When we get it off, we'll see what kind of shape it's actually in. So one thing that I feel like I need to go over here with you guys is these things. These can be a real pain in the butt sometimes, but I have a method. They go in underneath there, right? So when you first start, you pry, take your flathead. I got a Phillips in here right now because I'm doing some other stuff. But you pry to get it out, and you go behind here with the flathead and pry right there, and it will kind of click. Then you put this thing in the middle and just really force out and it'll pop. But you need to keep that clip. Do not lose it and try not to damage it. It's what couples this brake line in this area. So that's what holds this all together, or it'll just be jiggling. All right. Oh God. After about 40 minutes, got these guys off. I'm literally filthy. And now we need to come after this guy, the proportioning valve. Alright, I'll get back to you after you get this pulled off and paid for. So here we are back at the house. We're gonna clean this stuff up. Just do a little before and after to kind of show you what we're looking at. And be fully rebuilding all this stuff, cleaning all the hardware. So right now it kind of looks like a trash pit, but as we go through the process, you see how you can do it yourself and how I did it. There's the proportioning valve that you'll need. This is the cleaners I'm going to use with this Bear pressure washer. Alright guys, so my GoPro died and I had to charge it, but I figured I'd give you a little money shot. It's gonna be hard to do, but oh yeah, soap cannon, dude. This sucks. I live north, and this is what we're dealing with. It's like currently 43 degrees outside, October 19th at 3:30, dude, and it is freezing out here, and I'm getting soaking wet pressure washing these dirty girls. There you look, loads better. I found the biggest spider I've ever seen on one of these guys, so I'm kind of cautious. If you don't know me, pretty scared of spiders. So I'm gonna clean these up, pressure wash them. Yeah, I'm gonna do. I need 2 hands, but I'll get back to you guys when this is done. So that's where we're at. Made it pretty far, got them all cleaned up. I think I'm gonna call it a night. It's honestly getting cold out here, and I don't want to take them back to the shop, which is gonna be coming in this video as well. So if you've stuck around this far, you're about to see some cool stuff. My new shop is unfinished, but we'll be heading over there, and I'll show you around a little bit, give you a little tour. And for these, we need to tear them down completely. I mean, looking at everything, every bolt, everything needs to come out, be cleaned, reassembled. We might even do some zinc plating. So hopefully all that is in the rest of this video. But for tonight, that's all I got for you. So catch you tomorrow.